Hey, if you got a Beats Fit Pro, let's set it up. Pairing with any Apple device should be simple. As long as your Bluetooth is on, opening the lid, you'll see a screen notification and you can follow the instructions. For Android, there is the Beats app, which will give you most of the functionality of the Beats Fit Pro. Make sure your location is turned on within your settings. And within the Beats app, in the upper left corner, you should see app settings. Go in the Android settings, permissions, to make sure location is turned on. To make sure your Beats Fit Pro fit properly, insert it into your ear and make sure the wingtip fits within your ear ridge, ear fold, whatever you call it. And this will provide the proper security. So Beats are fully charged out of the case, and the main function will be surrounded around the Beats logo. These buttons will control sound, playing, and active noise canceling. The Beats Fit Pro also has automatic ear detection thanks to this black sensor. Automatic ear detection pauses your music once you remove it from your ear and resumes it once you place it back in. You are able to turn it on and off within your settings. To turn it on or off, go into your device's Bluetooth section. Hit the More Information button for the Beats Fit Pro, then toggle on or off the section for the automatic ear detection. You can also use your Beats Fit Pro to be on the Find My network if you lose it in any location, as well as have it chirp if it's lost around the house. To change the volume, you have two options. First, you can activate your voice assistant by saying, "Hey, turn down the volume," raise up the volume. There will be a slight delay until they are able to turn it up or down. You can also open up your phone and just manually change it yourself, but there is another way. Within your Bluetooth settings of the Beats Fit Pro, you can decide whether you want to replace the long press, which normally functions for active noise canceling and transparency mode, and replacing it with volume controls. You can either decide to have your right pair going up and your left pair going down, or having both being able to activate active noise canceling or transparency mode. And of course, that leads to active noise canceling and transparency mode, where you're able to long press and allow it to turn on, and then long press again and allow it to turn off. For answering calls, press once to accept or reject a call. Press once again to accept a second incoming call or swap back between two different calls. Long press to hold. Press and hold to reject an incoming call. Press twice to stop listening to your earbuds and send the call to your phone. To play your audio and music, one press will pause or play, 2 presses will skip to your next track, and 3 presses will go back to your previous track. This goes for either earbud, and you can use one or both at the same time. Now, if you have Hey, whatever voice assistant that you use, it shouldn't be a problem by just speaking it out loud. You can set it up so that way a long press will activate your voice assistant. I hope you enjoy your Beats Fit Pro, and if you like concise reviews as well as helpful videos like this, subscribe for more.